Welcome to Manlyinsights, Mastering Relationships with Women. Creating a successful online dating profile is about making a positive first impression and attracting potential matches who are genuinely interested in getting to know you. Here are proven suggestions to help you create a successful online dating profile. Dating platform. Select the dating app that aligns with your goals, whether it is for a casual or serious relationship. Avoid platforms containing numerous fake profiles or the ability to falsify locations. Profile photos. Include approximately 6 high-quality recent photos showcasing your face and body. Feature a variety of pictures to display your interests in different aspects of your life, both in casual and formal attire. If possible, consider hiring a professional photographer. Displaying material possessions or going topless in pictures are red flags for many women. Selfies should be avoided altogether. Demonstrating self-confidence, joy, and high social status in photos are positive signals. Your main profile photo should be a clear solo shot where you look your best and are smiling. Bio. Men with bios tend to have higher chances of getting matches. Be concise yet engaging in your profile description. Highlight your unique qualities, interests, and hobbies. Inject a bit of humor or playfulness if it aligns with your personality. Mention what you are looking for in a partner, whether it's shared interests, specific qualities, or relationship goals. Also, emphasize the qualities that matter most to you in a relationship, such as trust, communication, or shared values. Steer clear of negative or cynical language in your profile. Focus on what brings you joy and excitement in life. Search parameters. Be mindful of the age range and distance of partners you are seeking. Dating a woman significantly younger or someone who lives far away may present challenges you might want to avoid. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to Manlyinsights for more valuable insights on navigating relationships with women and building stronger, more fulfilling connections.